everyone, and welcome back to Beauty by Colette. Today I'm going to be doing another Ulta unboxing, so let's get this show on the road. Alright everybody, here is my Ulta box, and it has not been opened, and I think I got this a couple days ago. Actually, it'll be probably about a week since I got this when this video goes up, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what's inside. Duke. Some of this, oh my goodness gracious, what happened in here? I don't know. Looks like something broke in here, but I got, this is the first product that I'm pulling out. I really don't know what happened in here. Here's kind of what it looks like. There's like, it's kind of a sneak peek of stuff, but something broke in here. I'm not sure what. Maybe the eyeshadow. Another broken product. Lovely. Anyways, I got this Not Your Mother's a Whip It Up Cream Styling Mousse. It's the 16-hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And I will be using this in my next video, which will be a viral TikTok beauty product. So stay tuned for that. I bought this Essie nail polish in the color, oh, there we go, Perfect Posture. It looks like a very muted purpley blue color. This bottle's broken. I will not be ordering from Ulta like this ever again. I got one of my favorite shampoos, which is the this is the conditioner, the All Soft Redken conditioner, and I have the shampoo right here. One of the colors from this eyeshadow that I was gonna test out is busted. Like, I seriously, this is my second time getting busted products from buying Ulta beauty products online. And then here's another product, like seriously, I don't know what the heck happened with this box, but they're not very careful. Like, look at my hands. But this is the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator in Rose. This is another product that will be in that TikTok video. And then this is another one. It's the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil in, I don't know the first part, I'm gonna butcher it, but it's like a peach, the peach one that I got. I was trying to look for a eyeliner, and this is a matte liquid liner from NYX, so I'm gonna test this out in a video, upcoming video, so be on the lookout for that. These are Ulta Beauty Beauty Smarts eye makeup removing mitts. I wanted to try these, so I'll let you know. I'll like do an update on like testing these products. Make sure I have everything. Rhinestones. Something out of here. I don't know where it is, but it, like, this is the bottom of the box, so it was kind of opened when I received it. Don't know what the heck happened there, but I am not impressed with whoever shipped this box in the last one. And seriously, like even my rug is covered in this broken eyeshadow. Alright, so that was my unboxing of everything. So stay tuned for my next videos where I'm going to be testing TikTok viral beauty products. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And ring that bell down below so you're notified of all my new content. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye!